Welcome to Level of Interest, one of the most innovative and, above all, time-saving market analysis software programs in the trading sector. With this tool, we not only offer you the opportunity to benefit from the years of experience of professional day traders, but also bridge the gap between different approaches and perspectives when analyzing the futures markets. What do I mean by that? Imagine you want to profit from the activity of the option dealers by drawing gamma levels in your chart. On the other hand, you also want to include useful data from the dark pool exchanges in your considerations. For this alone, you would need two special tools such as Spot Gamma, Traditix, or Quant Data, which incur high monthly costs. But that's not all. You also have to recalculate the levels for the futures you are trading and then draw them into your chart. This requires more skill than you might think, and a purely mathematical formula is usually not enough. Now, the next problem arises. You may be using two analysis software programs such as Atas or Bookmap at the same time. If you have just laboriously entered all your levels into software 1, you now have to do the same again for software 2. With Level of Interest, we do the work for you. Every night between 1 and 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we conduct an extensive market analysis in various heavily traded futures, such as the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq future. Our analysts have decades of experience and developed optimized approaches to offer a unique form of analysis that provides you with the highest quality levels while creating a long-short bias in certain price ranges. As mentioned earlier, we include many different factors in our analysis and combine them with each other. These include classic volume and market profile zones of interest, gamma and Vanna levels, dark pool data, essential Fibonacci retracements, the CME's daily span interval, VWAP zones, and classic previous daily and weekly extremes. We compare this data with what we actually see in the order book and can thus pinpoint price areas of institutional interest. A well-thought-out market analysis is the basis for every professional day trader. We use it to determine the price ranges in which we even consider trades and where we can expect a significantly higher chance of successful trades and profitable risk-reward ratios. In the following videos, we will briefly discuss each of the factors in our market analysis and explain how they come about and why we include them in our analysis.